Okay, what I want you to do is pick one of those K-137s, just one, and I want you to shoot it three times.
Alright.
Just pick one of them and shoot it three times.
Right now.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. Just let it set.
I heard two.
That was three. It's moving.
Give it one more time. I'll give it one more time.
You want me to shoot one more time?
Yeah, you want it to drop.
I might, maybe, there we go.
That's it.
Oh.
That was the car. You know, I might have to do something with the fact that I'm ranged at 500, not 300. There we go.
Nice.
Wow.
Where the
Yeah.
What if that knocked us all out? That'd be awesome.
Macho Man Randy Savage here.
God bless America.
Bonesaw is ready.
Did you see the flying cars?
Yeah.
I was hoping that one of those cars did not fly this way.
Yeah, that could have happened. Luckily, no.
Oh, that damn cow's still watching.
That cow is just scoffing in our face right now. Is that all you got? Where is he? I'm gonna blow his freaking brains out.
Die, sheep. Die.
Hey, I dare you to walk out there and see if you live.
You won't.
Ready, set, run.
First one to make it across wins.
Oh,
I don't know
fucking
what.
shit.
Yeah, sprint to the tree line, right? You gotta make it to the trees without dying. Run!
Alright, we're rooting for you. Up here.
Go, go,
Run!
We got you covered up here.
You can do it.
Show up.
Will he make it?
Move to the left a little bit. There's some explosions up ahead. It's like we're letting him run and just gonna pop off some runs.
He's running.
Run, Forrest, run! To the forest!
He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it.
Not. He was gonna make it, man.
He was gonna make it.
Oh wow, that exploded right when he got next to it. That was awesome. I hope you recorded that. That was cool.
I bet he just shit his pants right there.
Alright, I'll do FPS clean so it make it safe. And I'll teleport you back.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, that was
fun. He was
Shit his pants
almost
for
through
sure.
and the very last one just friggin' nailed him. And I think he even flew a little bit when that happened.
I think so. He just disappeared off mine. Oh, there's some bandits down there.
Where?
I don't know. On my
Oh, in the vehicle?
Yeah, is that a freaking, that's an armed vehicle, that's a BTR-40 down there. Oh! They saw the explosions.
I don't think so, buddy.
Show number 2.
Number 3.
Dude, I love that they showed up. That's hilarious.
Boy, they picked the wrong place.
Wrong place, wrong time, motherfucker.
Oh, that's awesome.
Let's see, how far did he get?
There was
Where's
that
his
game
body?
where like, you like blow people up and you try to see how far they land. It's like that phone game.
Where is his body?
What you want to do is take a rocket launcher and shoot that person